In, on, at. Small and important words. What are they called? Hi, it's Dora from Bite Size English with today's Daily Bite of English. Let's talk about prepositions of place. Prepositions are important because you must use the right one to sound like a native English speaker. Ready? Let's start. Look at these sentences. I'm working. My bedroom, Toronto. I read the newspaper. A man fell, the lake. Which preposition do we use? In, on, or at? We use the preposition in when it's a container that holds things, like a box or bag. Sometimes that box is bigger and holds people, like a room or a building. Sometimes it's a big flat place, like a city or a lake, a forest, a desert, or a field. Look at these pictures. Can you tell me where the man is? Or where the bowl is? Yes, the man is on the bicycle. The bowl is on the table. And this picture? The picture is on the t-shirt. And this? It's on the wall. We use on for things on horizontal or vertical surfaces. We can say we are on a bus, on a train, or on a plane. How do we use at? How do we say we are here or here? What about here? Where is this person sitting? Where do you write your name? We use at when we are at home, at work, when we are standing at a street corner, when we are sitting at the back of the class, or when we write our name at the top of the page. At is used when it's a point on a surface, and for expressions of when we are inside, outside, or near a building. Look at these. A, I'm at the movies. B, I'm in the movie theater. C, I'm in the movies. Which one is something a movie star says? C, when you are in the movies, you are acting in the movie as an actor. And when you are A, at the movies, you could be inside or outside of the movie theater. When you are B, in the movie theater, you are sitting inside the theater. Ask me a question or just say hi. Remember, subscribe and follow. Thanks for watching Bite Size English.